I think we might have some thunderstorms brewing. It said that there's a severe thunderstorm watch, and it is very dark over there, and the wind is picking up. Video number 2 of the day. I love a good thunderstorm. Makes me good content. On the radar, it was hard to tell if the storms were gonna hit. It did look like at some point there might be rain, but this line might just barely miss. The clouds are kind of like going from that way to that way. That does look crazy over there though. I missed it. It's getting darker over there. Keep seeing lightning. Of course, it's not gonna do it on camera. Maybe the lightning is camera shy. Oh, that would be so epic if I catch a bolt on camera. That is crazy. Something about a thunderstorm I just love. Comment down below if you guys love thunderstorms as well. I love the lightning and the thunder. Something about catching lightning on camera just hits different. Well, it's storming. I found a place to stay under. Holy moly. That is thunder if you guys cannot tell. Said severe thunderstorm warning. There's a whole bunch of red on the radar coming. If you guys can tell, it is picking up a little bit. Holy moly. That's like rain that you can see right up there. Saw a lightning bolt, kinda. Holy crap. Now that's a monsoon.
I'll do it now. Oh my god. Wait a second.
Holy crap. Now it's getting windy. I love a good thunderstorm. Springtime thunderstorm. It is pouring. Now it's hailing. LOL. You can see it falling on the ground there. Tiny little bits of hail.
Oh, we're only surviving.
That's gonna be loud.
Yep.
That was a wimpy one. I just saw a boat. Dang it. I missed the boat on camera. Oh, wasn't that wimpy. Oh shoot. I don't know if you guys saw that or not. I was just looking at the radar and there's some red that we are in right now. That was a decent. Holy crap. The rain is slowing down, but there's some good thunder. Might be out of the red. As soon as I say that, the rain picks up just a tad bit. Oh, maybe a lot more. I just want to hear one of those thunderclaps that literally makes you jump. That's what I want to hear. That's how you get some content. First thunderstorm, holy crap, video of 2020. Like that. That was insane. As I was saying, first thunderstorm video of 2024, and that happens. And that's like a lottery. Picked up a little bit again. The thunder is literally not stopping. You can just hear it rumbling. Holy crap, that is up is hailing again. Look, you can see it all out there. That is wild. Decided to pick up a piece of hail. That is cold. That is wild. Look at all that hail. Oh my god.
Bro, this is dangerous.
Looks like it might be getting a little bit light that way. The storm's coming to an end soon, maybe. Looks like the rain stopped, but still here's some thunder. Looks like it might be kind of on and off for a little bit. Still thundering, but slowed down. Seems like every little bit some rain picks up here and there, but I think the main part of the storm is gone. There might be a few other dots or lines hitting throughout the evening / night, but doesn't look like much. So I think I'm gonna end the video off here. I know that I haven't gotten too many videos out this month yet, but still got a while to go. I did upload a short, actually 2 shorts this month, which shorts do crazy, I never realized that. But obviously I like sticking to the long form videos. That's more like my style. But anyway, everyday Andrew out. Peace. Well, it's hailing again. Thought I would come outside again and film. Not thundering as much. As soon as I said it, there was lightning and thunder. Just saw a lightning bolt up that way. There's some thunder.